So today I want us to talk about the idea that one of the top lessons I've ever received was acting from inspiration. Let me give you the background to this. Way back in 2012, I was going through a course called Quantum Marketing, and it was a mixture of psychology, spirituality, and personal development. And for me, one of the biggest lessons I picked from that program, which was run by Tom Polly as the leader, was that, they would be seated there hanging out, and then they get a flash of an insight, a flash of thought, a feeling to say, you know what, call so-and-so, or email so-and-so, or talk to so-and-so. And then boom, they would call, and just like a bolt of lightning, someone says, yes, I was just thinking about you. Yes, I was waiting for this call. Yes, this is what was going on. So it's like someone was waiting for them to speak, to connect with them, to gel with them. So what does that mean? From a bigger perspective, from a larger space of life, from an expansive perspective, what's going on there is that it was, call it the Holy Spirit, call it divine guidance, that's what was going on. So what it means for you and I is, how do we listen in to those hunches, to those instincts, to those feelings, to say, you know what, I need to take action now. And I've had several of such experiences where now, since I learned that principle, so when I think about someone, I call there and then, because I take it as a sign, as a hint to take action. So what does it mean for you to act from inspiration? It means when you feel excited about something, that's a hint. The universe is telling you, the creator is telling you, hey, move, take action, go, don't wait. But the challenge, of course, is how do you develop this capacity? You develop that kind of capacity by beginning to trust your instincts, by beginning to trust your guts, that this is it, this is how it should be done, this is when it should be done. So there and then it is done, it is effected. And you do that, when you keep listening to that, then you're building the muscle. And then number two, when you start actually taking actual action, then you're sending a message to your subconscious mind or to your psyche that yes, the instincts I receive are of pure intention, they are of pure inspiration. And I believe also then God will find it very easy to send you such insights. And then finally, take note. What are you noticing? How do these insights come to you? How do these gut instincts come to you? Is it a voice you hear? Is it a feeling you feel in your tummy? How do they come? How do they happen? Then once you discover the pattern, then when it happens in future, you know what to do or what not to do. So what I'm going to ask you to do is, it's not just enough to act from motivation. Start acting from inspiration. Start listening in, and then you'll start seeing results as a result of acting from inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't signed up, please go to ethan@40.com to get the rest of the videos. And of course, if you also do other things, whether from motivational speaking, human resource training, life and career coaching. If you want any of those services, you can call me on +256 772 936361 or call Julia on +256 706 329 723 or Kabugo on +256 700 863086. You can go to my personal website, ethanmussolini.com. And of course, if you like this video, please click the like button, share it, and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. And of course, I would encourage you to sign up on my social media channels like Facebook, which is facebook.com/ethanmussolini, my YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/ethanmussolini, and my Twitter handle is Ethan Mussolini. I'm also on LinkedIn with the same address, Ethan Mussolini. So see you then. Bye for now.